Alright, let's get into the bit. These are all the new robots. Let me go over them real quick. Simple as this is how you say new some shit. Basically infinite flight when you use the ability. For some reason it has like some link that you can go to either enemies or friends. I don't know. For enemies, I'm pretty sure if you link it to them, you get increased damage, and then you can link it to another person. I don't know. You can link it to another enemy or another friend or teammate, whatever. You also got a colorblind thing. If nearby crosser is you can like send colorblind effect for your teammate. So if they get colorblind or they get shot at, the enemy gets colorblind. You can also use it on yourself if you get shot at as well. I don't really know how that works. As it says right here, it says max active range is 200 meters. Max link range is 300 meters. Max damage bonus stacked is 20. So you could stack 20% damage to either your enemy, it will take 20% more damage, or to your teammate. And then your teammate will have like a 20% more damage against everybody, I think. I don't know how this works. These are the new weapons. They got two modes. After you shoot the first mode, I think it's combat or something like that, and it shoots really fast. It doesn't look like it does that much damage. I think it does DOT. And then the next one, I'm pretty sure is just like straight bullets, like actual like physical bullets, basically like what the Smooza shoots out. And then we get to these are basically energy shields for medium. 300,000 is kind of fucking crazy in my opinion. Like, that's kind of crazy because that's like beating the normal shield by like so much. And then they got Ultimate Havocs. I'll make a video about that with the Scorpion and everything like that, and then we'll get to it. I was thinking about putting it on here, but I changed my mind because I don't know how the hell I'm gonna get 200 meters in range with a robot that actually kind of flies slow and has like no health. Using the iPhone with the colorblind effect, I want to see if anybody on the opposite team will like maybe make their teammate invincible from the colorblind effect. I don't know if that's what it said. It's kind of confusing. I don't know what the fuck it really is, but it has some chaining effect. You can't really see it. It's not visible, but I don't know. And then eventually I'm gonna have an ultimate Scorpion set up, just like a full row of that, and that would be it. And then after that, I think I would make a couple more hangers. Maybe we'll make two more, and then I'll just make two regular builds using the two new weapons, and then some old weapons a little bit mixed here and there. I am using the mute ship, so I can blind people more. I have double durability, and I have instant lockdown for anybody I put it on. So yeah, that's really it for the vid, and we're gonna get into it. As you know, I made the video. I'm not sure if it's posted yet. Let me see. I think it is, right? Yes, it is. Anyways, I fully crashed out. I ain't gonna lie. I'm competing with somebody, and I found out every match you get like 200 points. So I'm absolutely not gonna get first place. And let's just say I killed out my whole entire bedroom, all of that. And well, this is why I'm not just trying to have look, there goes the color balance. I'm not sure if it's stacking or changing. Not how this but yeah, that's really it. This weapon, it's quick. It's reload to shoot through things like that. So that's because it's good. It's really easy. That quick. I do need a chainsaw. I don't remember what I need a chainsaw. how the hell did this change? It makes no sense. Because I can't see it. I don't even know if it's being applied. So they still might be ready. But I need to change my mind. I don't think I can. I swear I did, but this guy I'm not fully worried about, because if he shoots me, I'm just gonna go into the stand. Pretty sure he dies. Damn, bro, we got no fucking no, this gameplay kind of sucks. I'm just gonna equip the shit I need, and that'll be it. Unfortunately, I'm not making no spin the wheel challenge. I didn't get the 100 views I wanted, and I don't think I saw any comments on the video. But I will double check. I'll go and check again. I don't know. But for right now, this is basically the build. What the fuck? See, I got that. Got this. This one doesn't. I swear I equipped this, but I'm not tripping. At least I got it. And then this one. Next match, I'm gonna start with the new weapons. I don't know how they really fully worked. It's kind of confusing, but I don't know. I feel like the Robot War test server page should like give us like a video on how it works. Somebody demonstrating and fully telling us instead of us figuring it out, but I don't know. I would honestly prefer that. But look, it shoots really quickly, but it looks like it does literally. It also looks like that one weapon, and then it switches to this one. So quick fire mode, I think the quick fire mode is then this mode is it's not going DLT mostly. Then the next mode is whatchamacallit. It should be. Like yeah, this mode does like more damage. You get up on the left. Also, if you get up on anything, to the max height. Basically, like almost immediate. But improves it in there. So this is kind of broken, but and yeah, like I said, I'm gonna make a video about this. Everybody's been running this. I swear. I'm not wild. But yeah, like I said, this guy's very weak. So like literally bro, he gets one flat fire. Look, everybody knows it too. You're not even hit. So I feel like it should be like the Nightingale flying pressure like this. Something that can tune to people. I got full shield. Nah, bro, is wireless. What is the deal? This is out. Yeah, everybody's bro, I'm pretty sure. But once the seal drops, you gotta recover food. Get back up. until it's fully covered, but yeah. I'm going to this shit's good. They should have added a lot so that you could maybe a meeting. How? I literally spawned every single one of them in. This is fucking bullshit. Tell me how I did not get my Titan. No, if I literally just add, like, I think one shield on here, this thing would be like as tanky as shit. It's annoying. If I literally just add one shield on every single one of them, that's all I have to do. My shit's not working. Buddy. Okay, bro. You're gonna be tight. It's wasting mad time, I ain't gonna lie. This video is probably gonna be like 28 minutes. At least I'm gonna try to make it that close to 30. But I'm grateful for all my subscribers. Every subscriber is gonna be one step of the way to get to 50. Very happy. But yeah. I wonder if I should switch this out. Probably just put the new one on there. Wouldn't be a bad choice. And like I said, add one of these. That'd be helpful. And then you know what I'm gonna do? I'm literally going to get this guy. Give him this. Switch it out. Okay. Then I'm gonna give bro shield breaker. Because if I got shield breaker, it's gonna be more stuff. And I hope Chris is in here, because if there's Chris, then I could actually crack out. There's maybe a couple of them that can have shield breaker, and then I won't have to worry about shield anymore. Bro, Raptor's gonna be crazy, bro. When I make a video about that, and actually start making setups. But then I got one more video about full Scorpion build, and then that'll be it. That's all the videos I'll probably be making for today, because I'm still on that grind. I'm still trying to at least get second. I did crash out because like that's insane that bro's making 200 points, or maybe even 100 every single match. That's how bro catched up to me. I'm still tight about it. I don't give a shit. Don't be mad. I'm so much on. I'm still tired of it. I'm busting my ass like this whole entire I think this chain effect is like, once I hit the thing and I look at it, it's like that chain effect.
even finish this goals. Yeah, but I was right about the stupid. Let it go to next fight. Guys, let's do this. Not even giving me that speed. Like no speed, I don't want to do that. Well, I'm trying to do the thing and go over here, but it's not working. Let's use this. Bro, I want to see how much damage this thing does. Don't look like it does. Definitely don't. I'll make a couple of this. No, I think we'll be good with this. Probably I think the manager. Basically, we can get on the flags. Hey, that's not the one I'm looking for. Hey, you got no shield, so you're cooked. I'm gonna fuck you up. Mauler can't even see it, man. I'm gonna fuck Mauler. Ninja's yeah, nah, this guy is broken. I don't know why they changed it and switched it back. I swear if I had this up on maybe not, because I wouldn't even have weapons. Weapons are crazy. Like, they're more crazier than the fucking No. Guys, I'm gonna break it. He thinks he has me. He thinks he has me. Fuck, he does have me, bro. I didn't have enough fucking time. I was about to go across the map again. Literally that quick. Bro, I ain't going on. That scorpion. No, that is me. Oh my god, I think I lost it. Time to debate. Alright, we lost this match. I'm not beating him in this robot. Oh no, should I?
I'll just do that, and I'm gonna put that guy in the middle because he looks the most coolest. And she's the only one without the shield. But I wonder what the drone's gonna be like for this robot. It's gotta be something good, bro. Because without a good drone, this robot's cut. It might be changed, but I don't know. Oh look, I got the left and the right version. Yeah. Also got different things in here too.
I don't know, maybe I should have went with a different one. Just because. Pretty sure this guy just shot me through my shield. No, I'm not tripping. That's why I deal with you. Makes sense. Also makes sense why them stable clones switched to. Then these gas weapons would be useless. Yes, they do go through. Wait, no, that was other. That was the heavy, right? Oh, bro. This shit's getting me lost. That's not damaging, bro. That's why I don't use this. This one's DOT. Right? Gotta be. I don't know what the hell that is. What is that shit? No, this one's DOT. Oh. So heavy's DOT, then what the hell is this shit? And did I apply that or did he do that? Bro, I don't know what the fuck is happening, bro. No pilots. Oh, I did that. That's what the fuck applies. Shield break. These weapons. And then that's DOT, and it still goes through shields and everything. Wait, so it does go through. They gotta keep this. Apply a little bit more damage to the weapon. The heavy ones. Yeah, that's not bad. The heavy one's good. that would be balanced because it's not fast, which is a problem.
Yeah, I can't wait until I make a video about it.
Looks like I get defense. No, it's because of shit. Yeah, that's the shit. I'm gonna ask. Oh, he moved. It actually sounds right. Literally just talking. Not going on. That shit. Funny. Disrespect. I'm gonna have to tell you this guy, bro. Damn, bro, like, can y'all see some fucking else is this? Jesus Christ, like, I'm not your mate, bro. Like, they're all sucking me, bro. Like, holy fuck. What I do is it's crazy. Oh, that's the end of the vid. Damn, I didn't know I'm gonna make 30 minutes, but it is what it is. Anyway, that's the end. Try to get up and running so when we get back, where we can start seeing it. So, subscribe and try to get some fit.